All right, this is the shoulder pendulum. So the setup here is that your palms are going to be facing up, and you're actively going to be pushing your arms into the ground, squeezing your shoulders down away from your ears, and then your legs are going to be up at a 90-degree angle bent, okay? So what we're trying to do here is we're creating shoulder stability. I'm pushing my arms into the ground as I control my hips down to the side. Now, what I'm trying to do here is go as far as I can without letting my arms come off the ground. And the entire time, they're not just lax, they're actively pushing into the ground. If you get so far where this happens, you've gone too far. And I'm keeping my knees together. And that is the shoulder pendulum.